Hi, I'm Sang from Real Estate for Success. I'm going to share with you the benefits of investing in an NRAS property, how the government will pay you incentives for the next 10 years, how to make your next investment purchase positive cash flow, and how to make your property the most sought after by tenants. The National Rental Affordability Scheme is a long-term commitment by the Australian government to invest in affordable rental housing. NRAS seeks to address the shortage of affordable rental housing by offering financial incentives to the business sector and community organisations to build and lease out properties to key workers in the community at discounted rates for 10 years. It aims to increase the supply of new affordable rental housing, reduce rental costs for low to moderate income households, and encourage large-scale investment and management of affordable housing. How does NRAS work? Investors rent property at 20% below market rates. In return, the government gives you an income incentive. The NRAS incentive for 2013-2014 is $10,350, of which $7,763 is contributed by the Australian government and $2,587 is contributed by the state. The NRAS incentive is indexed annually. Income levels for eligible NRAS tenants are generous and accommodate a range of low to moderate income earners. The income limit for a single adult is $44,000 per annum, increasing to $104,000 per annum for a couple with 3 kids. NRAS also allows for tenant salary increases of 25% above the income limits. Many NRAS providers are also property manager, or if they don't do property management, they will select a few NRAS approved property managers for you to choose. And like a normal investment property, you select the tenants that you want. An NRAS property can provide investors with an income stream at the end of each year, but still undergo the same capital growth as regular investment properties. The location of the project must be in areas with high rental demand or an undersupply of rental stock. The government have specified particular areas with shortfalls in affordable rental housing in which NRAS approved properties can be built. NRAS are the easiest property types to rent out. Why? The rent is 20% below the market rent value, and the number of NRAS properties is very limited, meaning rental demand is high and tenants are queuing to move in. This greatly reduces concerns about empty properties and lack of steady rental income. NRAS property is easy to manage. Property management is in place, freeing you up so you can focus on other things. NRAS property is highly tax effective. You can claim all your normal depreciation and tax allowances. Under NRAS, investors receive a tax-free incentive of $10,350 per annum for 10 years. Compared with a conventional residential investment property, in certain markets, the addition of the government incentive can provide a better cash return to investors than charging market rent. With a discounted rent, investors could save more tax benefits. What are the characteristics of an NRAS property? The design and quality of NRAS property compare favorably with any other non-NRAS property. They are the same as any other property, except they have the NRAS incentives attached to it. What happened after 10 years? The property will revert back to a normal property with normal rent return. You can opt out of the scheme anytime, or it can be sold to another investor with or without NRAS. Our purpose is to help property investors to create wealth for their future. We do this by helping you to build a property portfolio, and this property portfolio can look after you financially in the future. The market moves quickly, and we seek to implement the most effective and profitable strategies at the time. From beginners to intermediate investors, we can help you. Ready to get started? Visit realestateforsuccess.com.au to talk to us.